IPRoyal review, watch before using. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we'll take a look at this platform which is called IPRoyal. They provide us the opportunity to use their proxies with good prices, and basically if we are going to take a look at this platform, by the way, in order to get the best prices and best options, you need to use a link in description. So you'll come to this page. We can see that they have a lot of good reviews on Trustpilot and G2. So on Trustpilot we have 4.6 out of 5, which is insanely good. We can find a lot of like reviews with good marks, so 5-star, 5-star. On G2 we also have like 65 reviews and 4.5 out of 5, which is really good for this platform especially. And in order to interact with IPRoyal, you can easily create an account by clicking on sign up with Google, or create an account in the right top. Also, we have a lot of options we can discover here, like proxies. We have different types like data center proxies, enterprise proxies, mobile proxies, ISP proxies, like residential proxies, and so on. So as you can see, you can find the necessary one as for you. And they also have like their tools, Google Chrome proxy extension. We can manage all our Chrome proxies in one extension here. Once more, it's really good. It's like really useful and easy to interact with. Mozilla Firefox proxy add-on, also like fully customized proxy management for Firefox. We also have like proxy tester, text proxies with any site and filter the best IPs, and like online proxy checker, test proxy list, and a browser get valid IP info. If we are going to interact with the prices, we can see that we have like different prices for different like proxies. Let's discover, for example, the mobile proxy from like $10 per day or like $130 per month. For 19 days it's only like $117 per month, and we'll get the same options with unlimited bandwidth, 2.5 million plus residential IP pool, auto rotate toggle, API access, and 543G support. So I can definitely recommend you to use these platform to use their proxies. As you can see, it's like really useful, and the prices, for example, for ISP proxies are not that high. Let's discover the data center also. For 30 days 1.75 per proxy, which is like really good. We also can find all the locations. So if I'll scroll down, we can see like the United States, Germany, United Kingdom, France, Canada, Brazil, Spain, Italy, Vietnam, Philippines, Poland, and Japan. We also have like other countries, but this is like top proxy locations. We can also find like use cases if it's necessary, like a lot of resources. So can I recommend this platform? Definitely yes. So a lot of good reviews. It's easy to use, a lot of tools created. We have different types of proxy. So don't forget about the link in the description to get the best possible options. Also, we have like exclusive proxy pool here, full-time support, residential proxies that do not expire. So yeah, I can definitely recommend you to use this platform. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.